This is at level 0, no vertigo yet. Long way to go. Ooh, 2,000 meters by the way, altitude. Oh. Because I'm a pussy, I'll use the rope. This is easier than the other one though. The smaller moon pyramid. This is the, what's it called? Sun pyramid. The spin. No cardio. Super tired. Ooh. So level 1. See where we are. Scary. Completed that so far. That's about it. To level 2, no rope. So I have to hang on the side. Oh. I can't look at the camera. I have to concentrate on the steps.
Aquí te espero. No me puedo detener.
People are stopping in front of me, having a conversation. It's not good for the anxiety. Almost there. Couple more steps. Ooh. Stupidly I said, I don't need to bring a bottle of water, but it's very fucking hot, so I'm thirsty. Okay, level 2.5, super steep, but short. Ooh. Ooh. The steps are like knee high. Okay, these are smaller. Good. Level 2.5. And that's the bottom. Okay, level 3. Okay, this is the way to level 3. There's a kid with a Toy Story toy. He's kicking my ass. So I'll show him. Video time. This one's quite easy. It's normal steps, not the giant knee-high steps from before. The angles change, so the steep ones are scary. But yeah, we're high. Almost there. Oh. Level 3. Almost there. I think I'm at the top. Almost. There's no steps to the top. You gotta climb this mound thing. So, almost. Panorama from just below the mound. Some of my homies down there. I didn't do a video of the moon pyramid, but that was seemed easier. Some homie coming down now. Oh, oh shit! It's steep. Oh no, it's not steep, but it's a walk. Okay, very top. Yeah, smash that. It's not, it's not as exciting when there's a bunch of kids here who smash me going up. Very top, Pyramid of the Sun. My vertigo here is not as bad as the other one. Finally, even though it's higher. POV going down. Loads of homies come down. So, whoa. Still pussy. Need to hang onto the rope. It's actually not that hard. It's more anxious. This kid smashing it, smashing me. Okay. Ooh, sorry. Go down. Oh, this one's a steep one. It's like a freaking step ladder. Freaking hell, man. Oof. Yeah. Oh, steep.
Alright, don't forget to learn pizza.
Huh? Alright. Perdón. Gracias. Yeah. Oh. Done. Where am I? A couple more. That was easy. There's a fat bird going up the wrong way. So these look like they've been done by the council. They're straight, not like the previous ones. Traffic jam. Oh, they're Instagramming, I'm sure. It's a place to do it. Walking down.
Let's get one where we're all gathered. That's what he's gonna want. And then we can like separate a little bit.
Help me out, Mark.
Yo estoy bien, yo estoy bien.
Oh, he's wobbling.
Yo estoy bien, yo estoy bien, yo estoy bien.
CC. Okay.
Super steep. It's a bit.
Get on the same steps for now.
Alright. I think. Oh, stretch. A couple of homies did photos. Me. Okay, this has no steps. This is. Whoa. This is a little bit sketchy for me. Whoa. Steep, small, or big. No consistency, rough, broken, not good. Fucking hell. Such a pussy. Finally. Oh, finished. It's the last one. I think I'm done. How long is this? Took me how long? 4 minutes and a half to get out. 4.5 minutes to get down. It wasn't as scary as I thought it'd be actually. It was not as bad. No gracias, señor. No gracias. No gracias, señor. No gracias. Just trying to sell me obsidian rock stuff, but not interested.